this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And in the last class, we have discussed about Infosys online test. In that online test, we are having the section 1 as reasoning ability test. So we have done some of the questions about reasoning ability. Hope you have understood them. If you didn't yet watch it, then it is a previous video of this video in our YouTube channel. Just go there and check it out. Then after that you come here because that is the first round. After that we will be having this round. So uh, after completing that round, just come to here because you will be getting a clear understanding. So this is technical ability test. It is in the online assessment test. It is section 2, second section in online assessment test. Okay, so today we are going to do some of the questions in technical ability test. Okay, yes. Let's go to the first question, which is which sorting algorithm is the fastest in the average case, right? These are some of the memory based questions we are having in technical test because see, if you need some explanation regarding it, it will be taking some hours for us. So without those explanations, we'll be directly going to uh, just know the answer of that question because it will be taking much time. Here now you are having lesser time to your test. So without any like logic in the exam, you don't need any logic. So before that you just need to qualify that test. As it is MCQ, they won't ask you the explanation all those. So just know the answer itself. Okay, yes. So this question, which sorting algorithm is the fastest one? In average case, in every algorithm we are having some best case, average, and worst case. We are having three cases. So in three cases we are going to see in average case, right? In average case, which one is best, means which one is fastest. Okay, then when you see this, in the options we are having bubble sort, merge sort, and selection sort and insertion sort. So the final answer is merge sort. So merge sort is the fastest one in average case. So let's go to the next question, which is what is the output of this following code? Here we are given a code, and you need to see what is the what is the output you will be getting when you run this code, right? You're having this code, this four lines of code. So you need to just see, means just print, means just see the output what we will be getting. Okay, so let's try to do that, right? Yes. First we are having x equals to 2, right? In x equals to 2 we are having, after that we are having for I in range of 3. That means when you see here I, what is I here? I will be ranging from 0 to 3. So when you see this, I will be at in first iteration I will be 0. So definitely I equals to 0. Let me change the color. Red. I equals to 0. And after that it will be entering into this x into x. That means x will be equals to what is x? That is 2. Where 2 into 2 will be equals to 4. So x will be equals to 4, right? And we'll be going to the next iteration. It will be going again, and I will be becoming 1. I will be becoming 1, and x. Now x will be becoming, what is x? Value of x, it is incremented to 4. So 4 into 4. 4 4s you will be getting 16. Yes, in this iteration we are getting x equals to 16, and in the next iteration we are taking a equals to 2, and where x equals to 16 into 16, what we'll be getting? We'll be getting to 56, right? And when you go to next iteration, I becomes 3, but will it become 3? No, because range is 3. So 3 will not be accepted, right? 3 should not be like should not be included. So this is completed. So finally we need to print the value of x. What is the value of x? It is 256. So we are going to print the 256 here. So the answer is 256. Finally, I think you have understood everything, right? Yes. This is also completed. And let's go to the next question. Yes, in the next question, we are having which of the following is not a data structure? Data structures, if you don't know the list of data structures, then you can, like, if you wish, then you can go to the class and check it out. In Python tutorial, I have explained about data structures, but now it is not needed because you are directly preparing for exam. Uh, Listening to tutorials, all those were not used now. So I'll be explaining what is a data structure now. Data structure is nothing but it is a like continuous storage of variables. Like when you see the options in array, see in array we will be having line continuous allocation of elements. Like this is an array like 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is an array which is a um, continuous allocation of numbers. Okay, and when you go to the linked list, it will be also having like this, but it will be having the starting address also, like 1, and the starting address of next one we are having, like just assume it as a, and 2 will be having b, and 3 will be having c, 4 will be having d, like that. We'll be having like that. This is called as linked list. Means uh this this a b c are nothing but it will be storing the starting address of next element, right? Yes. So file, what is a file? It is a collection of programs that is out of this. So let's go to the stack now. In stack also we'll be having like elements like 1 2 3 4 5, collection of elements in like last in first out form. So this is about all the data structures, and which is odd in this. File is odd because it is not like these three of them. So we are directly going to mark file as not a data structure, right? So let's go to the next question, which is number 4. So what is the result of 15% 4 in C or C++? Percent is nothing but modulus. So what we'll be getting? That means um 15 modulo 4 means what we'll be getting as a reminder when 15 is divided by 4. So when 15 is divided by 4, we'll be getting 15 divided by 4. So 4 ones. So let me draw 4 ones, and 4 threes will be getting 12, and you are having 3 as a reminder also. 15 minus 12 will be 3. So the answer will be 3. Modulus is nothing but the remainder when you divide both the uh, both the numbers. Divide one with other. Okay. So that is about this. Let me remove this. Yes. I think this is easy. Modulo is nothing but when you divide both the numbers, then you will be getting some remainder, right? So that remainder will be the answer. When you get this modulo percent symbol, as we all know, and when you go to the next question, what is the time complexity of binary search? This is also memory based. We cannot explain this. So for explanation, we need much time. So just remember for binary search, we are having log n, right? The time complexity of binary search will be log n. And when you go to the next question, we are having the output of this following code. We are having a code here, and what is the output of this? We need to find out the output of this code. So first we are having integer x equals to 10, right? And if x equals to 5, then you need to print hello, else you need to print bye, right? But here, okay, it is wrong. It is wrong. The option which I have marked is wrong, but because int is 10, right? We have just marked it as we have assigned a value 10 for variable x. But here, if x equals to 5, we need to print hello. Without x equals to 5, we need to print bye. So bye will be printed. So this is the correct answer, as we have directly mentioned that as correct, which is wrong one. So this is the correct answer now. By will be printed because as x equals to 10 here, but in the condition x equals to 5 is mentioned. Okay. Yes, let's go to the next question. The decimal equivalent of binary number 1011 is. See, this is a binary number. When you see any number with only 0 and 1 as its digits, then you need to consider it as a binary number. So, what is a binary number we are having here? 1011, right? So, how it will be doing? How it will be done? It will be like this last digit will be 2 power 0, and this second digit will be 2 power 1, and this third digit will be 2 power 2, and this fourth digit will be 2 power 3, right? um I hope you have understood now. That means, wait, I'll be going to explain you now easily. Yes. uh, this is nothing but, see, you need to calculate from the units place. So for the units place you need to directly write, see, 2 power 0. For the tens place, you need to increase the power by 1. So 2 power 1 will be here. And for 0, you need to write, it will be again increased to 1, 2 power 2. And for 1 again, you need to increase by 1, where you will be getting 2 power 3. So when you add all of these, let me show you this. Yes. When you add all of this, you will be getting the final decimal number, which is here. So when you add, if you see here, like you are having 2 power 3, right? So finally, I just forgot one thing again. So you need to multiply with the number which is present here. Either it will be 1 or 0, right? And when you come here, it is 0. So, and when you come here, it will be again 1, right? And here also it will be again 1. So when you see and when you add these, So 2 square, 2 power cube, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but 2 to 4, 4 to 8. It will be 8. So 8 plus, and the second one it is multiplied by 0. So this will be eliminated. And the next one, which is 2, 2 power 1 is 2, and 2 power 0 is 1. Right? When you add all of these, you will be getting 11, which is a decimal equivalent of this binary number. So you need to mark the answer as 11. Okay, that's it. Very easy. This question is also very easy. So let's go to the next one. What will be the value of a after the code runs? So when you see here, a will be equals to 5, right? Right? A will be equals to 5. So here we are having another line of code, which is a plus equals to 3 into 2. That means a equals to, we can write it like this also, a equals to a plus 3 into 2. So when you calculate this, we will be getting the first value of a is 5, and then you need to add 3 into 2 is 6. So the final a value will be 11. So that 11 is the final answer here. Okay. Yes, this is the eighth question. We have completed it too. And let's go to the next question, which is what is the output of following pseudocode? You need to again find out the output of this pseudocode where sum equals to 0. We have given as sum equals to 0. And next we are having um, for I equals to 1 to 4. That means it ranges from 1 to 4. 4 will be also included. So next, inside that for loop, we are having sum equals to sum plus I. So finally, we are going to print the sum. So let's see the first iteration where I will be equals to 1. Right? I will be equals to 1, but sum will be equals to 0 plus 1, which will be 1. And I equals to 2, where I equals to 2, sum equals to 1. Sum is 1, right? In previous iteration. So I is 2. So 1 plus 2 will be equals to 3. And in the next iteration, I equals to 3. So sum will be equals to 3 plus 3. This is also 3. And when you add both of them, you are getting 6. And next one, I equals to 4. So sum will be equals to previous one, which is 6 plus I. What is I here? 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So final answer. Finally, we need to print sum, right? So sum value is 10. So 10 will be printed now. Very simple. Very simple questions we are having. Uh, and when you go to the next question, this is 10th one. Which data structure is most suitable for implementing recursion? So for this, for explanation, you need so much time. So this is also like a memory based question. So directly you need to remember it as stack. So most suitable data structure for implementing recursion is stack. Okay. So when you go to the next question, which SQL command is used to remove rows from a table? So how to remove rows from a table? We are having delete. Okay. Let's delete will be used, and let's go to the next option, which is drop. Drop is nothing but we'll be dropping. Drop will be used directly for tables, where you'll be directly deleting a table, like you'll be directly moving the table like that. So remove is nothing but we'll be removing some particular data, not directly rows or columns. We'll be removing some particular data, right? At that At that time we'll be using remove. And erase is nothing but we'll be using it for, like, erasing means not directly removing those, but we are erasing the value present there. Then that value will be replaced by null. So that when we'll be using to what we'll be using to remove rows in the table is nothing but delete. Okay, so delete will be used to remove the rows in a table. And when you go to the next question, this is the last question we are having. So, which among the following is not a characteristic of OP? Characteristics of OP, if you know OOPS concept, then you can answer this question easily. And if you want to, if you want to study OOPS, because OOPS is very much important from this topic, you will be getting many questions in your interviews also. This is most important to secure a job. So for that purpose, in our channel I have posted videos on Python programming tutorial. So in that tutorial I have explained more about OOPS concepts. For those, I have done separate videos on OOPS concepts itself. So in that video I have discussed about these characteristics of OOPS. So not now, but if you are interested, then you can go and watch after this Infosys exam was completed. So now, characteristics is nothing but four pillars. In OOPS, you will be having, for OOPS, you will be having four pillars. Those are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. We are having these four pillars of OOPS which are most important for OOPS. So in that we are not having compilation. Compilation is nothing but we are running a code, right? When before running a code, the code will be compiled first. The program will be compiled first. After compilation, we'll be running. Compilation is nothing but, that is nothing but like uh, that what the compiler will be seeing whether there are any whether there are any errors in that program or not, right? So that is the process of compilation. So this is not inside means not related to OOP, that means object oriented programming. So this is not a characteristic or not a pillar of OOPS concept. So this is the answer for this question, compilation, option C. So these are the questions in technical round. So if you have any doubts, then you can comment me down below. And if you have any doubt in any of the question, then you can comment me down. I'll be directly giving you the answer, means the I'll be replying to you as soon as possible. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And in the description box I have given the Telegram group link where I'll be posting daily job updates, as this is most toughest time of our placement season. So don't miss any chance of applying to any of the companies. So join in the Telegram group and make sure to apply to all the jobs I'm posting there in the Telegram group. And I'll be posting everything, like every um, PDFs, preparation materials also there. So if you want this PDF, then I'll be going to share you. Just ask in the Telegram group. If you ask, then I'll be sharing you, because see, as it is a long PDF with 13 pages, so I need to just copy means crop it down and share to you. So it will be taking some time, but if you need it, I can do it. So if you need that, then don't forget to message in Telegram group, then I'll surely send you this PDF or any other PDF which I have explained in the YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel. And if do not have time to do videos also, I will be directly posting the PDF in the Telegram group, so that there will be no delay in your preparation. So that's all for today's class. And if you have any doubts, then you can directly comment me down. And if you like this video and if you watched this video till now, then don't forget to like this video and share with your friends who are also preparing for this placement. Um and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this will be giving me some motivation to do more videos. So, and you will be getting all the update notifications when while I'm posting the videos. I'll be posting all videos for upcoming companies also. All preparation I'll be doing. So don't miss these out. So that's all for today's class. And if you like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel, Easy Engineering. Thanks for all.